Hello and welcome to Space Time Terminated. Here we'll be talking about a lot of sciencey stuff. Go ahead and feel free to check out Reality Terminated. We don't really talk about science on there, but this channel is just to capture the other aspect of me, EJ. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about particle physics. Not very much though, this is barely even scratching the surface. But if you want a little something to impress your friends, then I suggest sticking around. I'm doing this whole thing in Sketchbook, so shout out to Sketchbook, I guess. And let's continue. So everyone knows what an atom is. And basically, if you don't really know much, then the outer layer, you could say, we have electrons that are orbiting around. And then on the inner layer, we have a nucleus. But within the nucleus, there are two different kinds of, we call them subatomic particles. We have protons and we have neutrons. Now, so the protons and the neutrons, right? So they are subatomic particles, and electrons are elementary particles. And let's just say that subatomic are bigger than elementary particles. Elementary particles are like the smallest particles that you can get. And they're actually what makes up the subatomic particles. And basically, you're probably wondering, these are subatomic, then what are they made of? Well, they're made of these quarks, and there are 3 quarks within every proton and every neutron. So we're going to put them here. And basically, right, inside of a proton, we have, we have 2 up quarks and 1 down quark. And over here in our neutron, we have 1 up quark and 2 down quarks. Alright, so basically these quarks, they keep themselves together in the form of a subatomic particle with the help of what we call gluons. And gluons are a type of boson, which are like the carriers of force. So gluon is a carrier of what we call the strong force, which basically keeps all these things together. And there are 3 different colors constantly within the subatomic particle. These are not real colors, because colors are created by wavelengths of light. These are just colors are just a scientific term. Basically, there's red, there's green, and there's blue. And the gluons, they make all the quarks rapidly exchange colors, which basically keeps them together. Let me just inform you that there are different types of quarks, there are different types of bosons, and an electron is not the only type of lepton. Hopefully you have a pretty good idea. We're going to elaborate on this eventually, but this is pretty much just a taste of what Space Time Terminated is going to be about. Please subscribe and give a subscribe to my main channel, Reality Terminated, and I will see you guys later. Bye.